Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my Huawei P Smart Z. Okay, so this time I'm going to show you how you can change the sound of the front facing mechanical pop-up camera. Okay, so at the moment this is how it sounds. Let me just launch it. I'm going to put the camera close up to it so you can hear exactly how it sounds. So as you can see, that sound, it's a bit boring. I'm going to put a bit more life into it right now. So I'm going to show you how you can change the sound. Just go into the settings and go to sounds. And then scroll down to more sound settings. And then select pop-up retract camera. Turn that on. Okay, so now when I launch the camera, listen to this, guys. Sounds a lot better now, doesn't it? Sounds like something out of Star Wars. Let me give you all a closer look. How cool is that? So yeah, guys, this was just my video showing you all how you can change the sound of the mechanical front-facing pop-up camera on the Huawei PZ Smart. You already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to my channel for more content. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.